everyone, welcome to this new video by Simplilearn. Are you looking for a way to cut through the noise and identify the most authoritative websites online? For this, you need to know the domain authority of website. Domain authority, a powerful metric that measures a site's overall strength and influence in search engine rankings. So in this video, we will dive deep and get a detailed understanding of domain authority. We will cover all the aspects of domain authority, like what domain authority is and the key differences between domain authority and page authority. Moving ahead, we will understand why domain authority is important and how websites are benefited from domain authority. We will have a look at domain authority score and understand whether it is good score or not. It is necessary to know that domain authority changes with time and how we can calculate domain authority. We will cover some tools that may help in finding the domain authority of the websites. Next, we will have a look at 5 tips to improve domain authority for your website. So here is a question for you. Domain authority is developed by Option 1 SEMrush, Option 2 Ahrefs, Option 3 Moz, and Option 4 Backlinko. Add your answers in the comment section below and get a heart from Simplilearn. In case you fail to answer, stick to the end of the video to learn more about domain authority. Also, don't forget to subscribe Simplilearn's YouTube channel and never miss any updates from Simplilearn. So let's start by understanding what domain authority is. Domain authority is the term first coined by Moz. Domain authority or DA is the search engine ranking score that shows how likely a website is to rank in SERPs or search engine result pages. The DA score is always between 1 to 100. The more your website has a DA score, the higher the chances for it to rank in SERPs. So now you must have a question. What is the difference between domain authority and page authority? The key difference between domain authority and the page authority is domain authority is the score for a complete domain or a website. However, a page authority is the score for a specific page in the domain or website. Moving ahead, let us understand, is the domain authority important? Followed by benefits of domain authority. Importance of domain authority. Domain authority is an important metric as it is the easiest way to understand the ranking potential of a website. A higher domain authority score is typically associated with the greater likelihood of ranking well in search engine result pages, which may lead to increased traffic and visibility for the website. It can help in getting useful insights from the competitors or websites in the same niche. Moreover, domain authority also helps in making strategic decisions around the content creation, link building, and overall website optimization. By focusing on improving domain authority, website owners can take concrete steps to enhance their online presence and increase their visibility and credibility in the search engine result pages. Benefits of domain authority. The benefits of having domain authority include improved search engine rankings. With higher domain authority, your website is more likely to rank well in SERPs, which can lead to increase in traffic and visibility for the site. Next is increased credibility. A high domain authority score can serve as an indicator of a website's credibility and authority in your industry. Thus, it builds trust with users and potential customers. The next we have is competitive advantage. Domain authority of competitors or other relevant sites will help website owners to gain insights and identify areas for improvement, giving them a strategic advantage in the online marketplace. More backlinks. Websites with high domain authority scores are more likely to attract quality backlinks from the other reputable sites, which can further boost their credibility and ranking power. Better user experience. By optimizing for a domain authority, website owners can focus on creating high-quality, relevant content that meets the needs of the target audience, leading to a better overall user experience and increased engagement. Now that we have known know the benefits of domain authority, let's move forward to understand more about domain authority score. The domain authority of any website may lie between 1 to 100, considering 1 to be the bad score and 100 to be a good. So say, for example, if a website has DA 20, then it needs a serious attention and there is a need to carry out required SEO practices. However, do you know that domain authority may change over time? Yes, you heard it right. Domain authority depends on various factors like links and content. These factors can change over time, and as a result, a site's domain authority score can fluctuate. For example, if a site acquires high-quality inbound links from reputable sources or improves the relevance and quality of its content, its domain authority score may increase. Conversely, if a site loses inbound links or its content become outdated or irrelevant, its domain authority score may decrease. It is important to note that domain authority is a relative metric, which means that changes in domain authority score can be influenced by the authority of other sites in the same niche or industry. As such, changes in domain authority should be evaluated in the context of broader trends and competitors within the relevant online space. Now, let's find out how domain authority is calculated. Domain authority is calculated on various factors like root domains, the total number of links, quality links, content, etc. After the update of domain authority to 2.0, it is calculated with the help of machine learning algorithms. The work goes as, say, if X website appears in search results more frequently than website Y, then website X must have higher DA compared to website Y. Let's now wrap up top 5 tips to improve the domain authority. Tip number 1. Create high-quality, relevant content. One of the most important factors in domain authority is the relevance and the quality of content on the site. By creating original, well-researched content that meets the needs and interests of the audience, you can attract quality inbound links and increase your site's overall authority. Moving ahead with tip number 2. Build quality inbound links. Inbound links from reputable high-authority sites are an important factor in domain authority. Focus on building quality inbound links through the tactics like guest blogging, influencer outreach, and social media promotion. With inbound links, it is also necessary to have on-page optimization of pages on the website. On-page SEO factors like title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags can help search engines understand the relevance and importance of your content. By optimizing your site's on-page SEO, you can improve your site's overall authority and ranking power. With this, you also need to carry out good keyword research. Keyword research can help you to identify topics or phrases relevant to your target audience. By targeting these keywords in your content, you can improve your site's authority and relevance. The next step we have is to improve the site speed and usability. A fast, user-friendly website can improve engagement and help to build authority with both users and search engines. Focus on optimizing site speed and usability through tactics like image optimization, caching, and responsive design. Moving to the last tip. Monitor your progress and adjust strategy. Domain authority is a relative metric, which means that it can be changed over time based on the authority of other sites in your niche or industry. Monitor your site's domain authority over time and adjust your strategy based on trends and competitive analysis. Well, these tips will definitely help you to improve your site's domain authority. However, here we have some bonus tips for you. Tip number 1. Leverage social media. Social media can be a valuable tool for building authority and driving traffic to your site. Focus on building a strong social media presence and sharing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Next is audience engagement. Engage your audience through comments, social media, and other channels. Building relationships with your audience can help to increase engagement and build authority. Next is monitor your analytics. Monitor your site's analytics to identify area of strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to adjust your strategy and focus on the tactics that are most effective in building authority. Keep your site updated. Regularly update your site with fresh content and keep it up to date with the latest trends and practices in your industry. This can help to maintain relevance and build authority over time. Now, the question arises, how we can check whether the domain authority is improved or not. We can do this with the help of tools like Mozelink Explorer, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Majestic, and Google Search Console. Concludingly, domain authority is a critical metric that can have a significant impact on your website's search engine rankings and overall visibility. By improving your domain authority, these tactics like creating high-quality content, building quality inbound links, and optimizing for SEO, you can establish yourself as a leader in your industry and attract more potential customers to your site. While improving domain authority takes time and effort, the benefits are well worth it. With a strong domain authority, you can increase your organic search traffic, improve your brand's visibility, and drive more leads and sales to your business. So if you are looking to improve your website's authority and take your online presence to next level, consider implementing some of the tips and strategies we have discussed in this video. With the right approach and commitment to building quality content and links, you can improve your domain authority and achieve long-term success online. So here we wrap up this topic. Soon we will come up with another interesting topic on SEO. Till then, stay tuned with Simplilearn and do not forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.